Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I just wanted to go over what's inside the Darkrai Triple Whammy tin. So to simply put, if you're in your local Walgreens and you come across this tin, I didn't know what was inside. So let me actually show you really quick so you can make the on-demand decision of whether or not to purchase it. So first and foremost, you have 3 booster packs, okay? You have a Paradox Rift pack that's inside of here. You have an Obsidian Flames. And then you also have a base Scarlet and Violet set. So you might have come across the internet whether or not the Darkrai tin has evolving skies. The best way to kind of check is to look at the copyright mark. So the copyright mark on the back of your tin, mine says 2024. So this is basically a reprint of a tin that has modern packs in it, okay? So if you find an older tin, then it might most likely has Sword and Shield era packs. In addition to that, you'll get a Darkrai promo card, a Sableye promo card, and a Spirit Tomb promo, not promo cards, but you'll get 3 holo cards of Darkrai, Sableye, and Spirit Tomb, alright? But that's pretty much it, guys. So 3 packs that you'll get is Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, and Scarlet and Base set. Just look at the copyright mark to kind of tell whether it's going to be a modern. Mine says 2024 Pokemon, and that's the indicator to show that it's probably going to have modern chase card packs in it. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.